Hey Legends! Want to land faster and skydive further in Apex Legends? Let's break it down. To hit the ground first, aim for max speed. Once you jump, dive straight down until you hit 145 meters per second. Then level out to carry momentum. If needed, dive again to regain speed. For long distance jumps, use the wave technique. Instead of going straight, dive down to 130 or 135 meters per second, then pull up. Repeat every few seconds to maintain distance.
Roger.
Just follow this, 135, pull back down, pull up, wait for another 135, pull back down to regain speed, and pull up again. And that's how you ensure that you hit the ground first and grab those loot before anybody else. Master these tricks and you'll always land first. Drop a like and sub for more Apex content.